While some concepts can clearly separate facts from opinions, there may be other areas of your course where it is difficult for students to determine what ideas are, in fact, facts. In areas like science, math, and art, there may be techniques or approaches that are considered best practices. Sometimes there is research and facts to back up these claims, but often there is some degree of opinion also involved. Identifying the source of information and determining the veracity of statements is an important critical thinking skill across many disciplines. For this activity, you will compile a list of perhaps 10 to 20 statements about your chosen topic. Alternatively, you could ask students to compile their own lists that will then be shared with classmates. Once students have the list of new statements in front of them, it is their job to determine what is a fact and what is an opinion. You may choose to require students to provide sources or a rationale for why they put each statement into its respective category. Here's an example of a set of statements. Topics such as kittens are cuter than puppies or fish make great pets are clearly opinions. However, if you feel strongly about these, it may be hard to classify them as opinions. Alternatively, fruits and vegetables being part of a healthy diet is a fact that is backed up by research and guidance. Once students have completed sorting their lists, have a class debrief to determine which items were the hardest for students to classify. Were there items that students believed to be facts but that they could not find a source for? Discuss with the class what evidence you require in order for them to declare a statement to be a fact. Does it need to have more than one source? Does it need to be from personal experience or somehow empirically tested? Finally, what makes a good source? There may be statements that students classify as a fact because they found a source, but the source turns out to be questionable. Following this activity, students should be able to reflect on what requirements they will look for in the future when trying to separate facts from opinions.